Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T20 and let me share with you how to soft reset or force restart your device. So the force restart or soft reset operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped responding to your touches, it froze and you have no idea what to do. Then you can try to force restart it. And basically all you have to do in order to do that is to press the power button, which in my case right now is on the left side, but in which position you will have the tablet, then obviously the position of the power button will change. It is basically on this side where you've got the front camera. Alright, so all we have to do right now is to press the power button and press it long enough to see the black screen. So let's try to do it. Let me press this button, and as you can see here we've got this option restart, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it because the screen does not respond. And as you can see, we had black screen. I can release the finger, I can see the developer's logo, just like that. And right now we have to wait until a second or maybe a few seconds, your device will be restarted and hopefully it will work normally. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to soft reset your DOOGEE T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.